So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Educator, and today I'm back with a very new video and a very interesting topic of mathematics. That is my personally favorite. So let's get started. That is basic terms of geometry. Okay, so let's learn about some basic things. Okay, before we go further ahead, we have to just learn about basic. अदरवाइज अगर हम बेसिक नहीं पढ़ते हैं तो हमारा पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं हो पाता, जिसकी वजह से हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में और कई सारी चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दीज आर टॉपिक्स टू बी कवर्ड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद पॉइंट. Okay, point, you have this and that. This is this point. We have kept a point. Let's mark a point. Okay. So, what is point? I think this would be. I think it would be visible to you, but I have made over here point. Let's name it as A. What should we name it as? Let's name it A. Okay, so a geometric shape that do not have any kind of length, breadth or height is known as point. It shows an exact location on a plane. Okay, so a thing which must strike in your mind that what is plane. I'll be telling you, you can see our topic over here also. So firstly, let's see some of the characteristics of points. Okay, so first is it has no length, no breadth and height. Okay, so अगर आप इसमें कुछ थोड़ा सा भी अगर हमने पॉइंट मार्क किया पॉइंट बी, अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा डार्क कर दें तो उसमें हाइट भी आ गई, लेंथ भी आ गई, ब्रेथ भी आ गई. सो ये हमारा एग्जैक्टली पॉइंट नहीं कहलाएगा. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग एंड दिस इज करेक्ट. ओके, it has no length, no breadth and no height. Okay, you must start. No height, right? And also one more thing, if we are having a point over here like this, okay, point C as name it as, and if we want to draw some lines over it, how many lines can be drawn? अगर आपको कोई पॉइंट दे दिया था और इफ यू आर आस्क्ड कि कितने एक पॉइंट से एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से कितने सारी लाइंस हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, सो द आंसर इज इनफाइनेटली मेनी लाइंस. लेट मी शो यू हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस एंड मेनी मोर लाइक दिस. हाउ मेनी इफ यू वांट यू कैन जस्ट पास थ्रू दिस पॉइंट C. Okay, so one more characteristic. So infinite lines can pass. Okay, so infinitely many lines can pass through a single point. Okay, so I think point is this all. Wait, let's move ahead. This would be very clear. So I think geometry is the very interesting and the thing in which you enjoy the most. इसमें हम बहुत enjoy करते हैं. I think me the most. Okay, so let's move further. This is point A, and let's mark one more point B. Right, point B. Now the next heading, you can see line on line segment. So firstly, let's take this one, that is line segment. Okay, so let me firstly join these 2 points. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, we have joined it, right? So now we can say that what is this thing, like point A is just point, I have explained just before, and point B is also a point. Now we have to see that what is this AB, what is this I have drawn over here. So yes, this is obviously a line segment. So a line segment is just a part of line. Line I'll be telling you, but let's just remind it is a part of line. It is a part of line. It has fixed length. Okay, it has a fixed length. Likewise, if you are said that the way to represent line segment is this AB, and then above bar like this. So what we will read this? We will read this as line segment AB. So like I have written over, it is a part of line. Let's leave this characteristic for now. I'll be telling you. It has a fixed length. Okay. So अगर हमने ये बोल दिया कि point जो line segment AB है उसकी length, for just suppose it is 5 centimeter, then it will always be 5 centimeter. It will not change because I have here only said it has a fixed length. Okay, so the length of AB line segment AB is equal to, I have written this, no need to write over here, is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so I think line segment is over now. Let's move further, which is our next topic. It is line. Okay, so it's nothing more. It is very easy and basic. I mean, you'll get it very easily. Like, see, we were having this line segment AB, right? I've explained you many things about it. Now, let's see line. Line segment is over. So, line. Let's expand it. Let's produce it in both the sides. Like this. Sorry for the... It will be just slight straight. Okay, so as I told it that the length of AB is 5 centimeter, and if we want to just produce it, just expand it, just pull it over in both the directions A and B, then it will just infinitely moving. Okay, so to tell the proper definition of line, it is that a line can be extended in both the directions. Okay, this will be one characteristics. Let me write, can be extended in both the directions. Okay, so I think it would be clear. So line segment, I have just told you about line segment is a part of line. So from here only I had took that line, see this is the line, let's name it as C and D. So if we call it as CD is a line, then what is this AB called? AB is obviously a line segment, na? There is nothing to tell about, I have told you just that AB is a part of line, it is a line segment, so AB is a part of line and CD is known as line. Okay, now मुझे सब मजा नहीं आ रहा. Okay, so अब मैं क्या करती हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ एक ही साइड से इसको प्रोड्यूस करती हूँ. Like मैंने इसको दोनों साइड से प्रोड्यूस किया है, तो अब मैं इसको एक ही साइड से करूंगी और एक साइड इसका एंड पॉइंट रहेगा. This will be, it is one end point A. And I want to just extend it only in one direction. So what will be it called? It will be called as ray. Okay, so a line segment extended only in one direction, it is known as ray. So everything starts from the point line segment, because you have to always learn firstly line, what is line segment, and then after that you can learn all the topics. So I have told you that ray. If we extend a line segment in only one direction, then we will get a ray. So the proper way to name a ray is just like ray D. Okay, so it's done. Now let's come to parallel lines. I told you line, segment, point, and ray. Right? Now let's come to parallel lines. Let's erase it up. Okay, so let's draw two lines, line L and line M. Okay, I think it is right. We are extending it in both the directions. हम इसको दोनों साइड में प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. So it will be called line M and line L and M. Okay. So what do I want to say? When two parallel lines have equal distance between them at every interval of time. इसके कहने का क्या मतलब है, अगर ये यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक इस पॉइंट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे इसकी डिस्टेंस 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो at this point also it will be 1 centimeter. So this pair of line will be called as parallel lines. So what is the definition I've just told? Yeah, a pair of lines or two lines having equal distance between them is known as parallel lines. And one more property is there of parallel lines, that they will never intersect each other because they have equal distance at every point. So they will never come closer, never go wider to opposite directions from them. So it is parallel lines. Okay. Now let's come on to intersecting lines. Just opposite of parallel lines, if we draw this line, it is a straight, okay, and this line, right? This and this line N and line O. Sorry, it is O. Line N and line O. So it is obviously intersecting at point P. So a pair of lines having one common point is known as intersecting lines. Like parallel lines कभी नहीं intersect करती, वो हमेशा उनके बीच की जो distance होती है, like very good example of parallel lines is just railway track. You can see that the distance between both the tracks is always similar. Otherwise अगर वो सिमिलर नहीं रहेंगी तो ट्रेन्स का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. So that is why intersecting lines, parallel lines हमारा हो गया, and intersecting lines is just opposite of parallel lines, that a pair of line having one common point. You can see जो line N है, जो line O है, उन दोनों का एक common point है, जो कि वो दोनों एक ही point पर intersect कर रही हैं, मिल रही हैं, एक दूसरे को काट रही हैं. What is that point P? Okay, so intersecting lines is done. Now let's come on to concurrent lines. Firstly, let's learn about plane. Okay, so plane you must have learned plane. So whatever we doing drawing in geometry, we have drawn a point, we have drawn a line segment, CD, done a ray, drawn a line, concurrent line, intersecting lines, parallel lines, everything. Whatever we do on a surface of the plane, this whiteboard, your page, your copy page, your notebook, your book, your textbook, everything, anything on which you draw these geometric shapes is known as plane. Okay, so I have explained all the topics written over here. So I think it would be very clear to you. I have tried my best to explain you this topic. And till then, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.